Welcome to another video tutorial from 2001web.com, a web design and hosting company that like to help their clients learn how to use their own websites. In this tutorial we're going to be working with WordPress, and we're going to be looking at something a little more complicated, which is how to add custom content to your sidebars on your website, which are called widgets. So first of all, we're going to go to our website, and we've already logged in, so we're at the WordPress dashboard here. Okay, first of all, let me explain to you what widgets actually are. If we actually go to a sample page on the website, widgets are all the information that's inside this column here. Sometimes this column may be at the right. Basically what it is, it's the little boxes of information that perform various different functions, but these are individual boxes. We'll show you that in a moment. Now, where you can find widgets on your dashboard is under the appearance section. If you scroll down to appearance, and you will see widgets on the pop-out menu there. So if we click on that, now here are listed various areas of your website where widgets can be. Sometimes they're in the footer of the website down at the bottom, but we're obviously working with the sidebar. You might see something like that when you go. So to expand any of these, of course, you just click that little arrow and it will tell you what widgets are currently inside the sidebar. So we've got search, recent posts and meta. If we look at your page there they are in that order. So what we want to do is we're going to add a little box that's got a picture and a message into this custom area. Now on the left hand side here you'll see widgets that are available to use. Some of these you will see further down are provided by Themify, which is a editor that you may or may not have. We do normally install it for our clients if we built your website. What we're looking for now is a basic text widget, because we're going to put some text and an image in. So there's the widget there. Now to put this inside your widgets column that are active on the website, it's very simple. You just click on it and hold the mouse button down, drag the widget up to where you want it. Now if you go to the top of the page, the top of the browser, it will scroll with you, and we're going to put it in just under the search box there. And so we just let go, and now you'll see the new text box is opened and it's asking us to put in some information. So let's say we're doing a Merry Christmas message, something that's only going to be there for a while. So happy Christmas from us. Okay, so that's the title. We better make that holidays. We don't want to upset anybody. Okay, so happy holidays from us, and that is all in the text box there. That's the title. So now we need to put in the data. Now here is where we're going to display our image and our text. So we need to first of all get an image into here. Now unfortunately with widgets it's not like the rest of WordPress. You can't simply browse, find a image and drop it into there. We have to put in some HTML code. Now that's HTML code, for those that don't know, is the background code of a web page. It's code that tells Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox what to display. So we're going to have to put some of that code in there. Now the first thing we're going to do before we start getting complicated is actually make sure we've got the image on the website that we're going to put inside this box. Now to do that, of course, you will need your media manager, which you can find up here, and if you click on there it will show you your library. This is the images that are currently on your website. Now this is a demo site, so there's nothing on there at all. So we're going to upload an image first of all. So we'll click on add new, and it says you can drag or drop files into there if you wish, or you can select them from your computer, which we're going to do. And we're going to take this picture of Santa here with a little funny joke with it, and click open, and as you can see that's being uploaded to the website, and that's it. Now if you click on library you'll see that that photograph is already there. It's there in your media library, so we can use that at a later date. So we've uploaded that to the website. Now let's go back to the widgets, appearance again, and widgets, and we are working on the text widget, don't forget. That's the one that we're working on. Oh, we didn't save the changes last time, so I have to put the title in again. Okay, so happy holidays. There we go. Now, okay, so in here we're going to have to put some HTML code to display our image. Now this is quite complicated and can take quite a while to learn if you're not technically minded. So we've tried to make it easy for you, and inside our knowledge base we've put some copy and paste HTML code for doing various things in these boxes. Now to find that, if you just go to the main 2001 website, and at the top right here you'll see a client login areas section, so click on that, which will take you to a page that shows you all the different support that's available. And here is our knowledge base, and that's where we're going to go, that's full of videos and how-tos there. So we'll go to the knowledge base, and we're showing various categories. We're working with WordPress at the minute, so we'll click on that, and there's a subcategory of code snippets. Now that's what we're going to go for, and you'll see here we've prepared 3 basic code snippets. We'll add to this as clients need more information. We'll be adding to that. If there's something that you need that's not there, do let us know, we'll add it for you. Right here we've got 3 different things. We've got code for adding paragraphs of text, we're not doing that right now. Code for adding an image to a side widget, that's what we're going to do. So we'll click on that, and here you will see various bits of code that you can literally just copy and paste into your widget box. They've all got little headings. It's a simple image that's centered inside a widget box, an image that's aligned left inside the widget box. You normally actually better to center images if it's in a little box at the side of your page. And this is code here if you would like to link the image to a page, so we'll do that for the sake of argument. We will take that whole code there. So what you do is literally click down with your mouse at the end of the code, drag it towards the top and let go to select it. Now right click on your mouse and select copy. Okay, so we now have the HTML code that we need, and we're going to go back to our widget box. We're going to click inside that box, and we are going to right click and paste. So there is our HTML code. That's what we provided you on the website to make this nice and easy for you. Now obviously this is demonstration code. There's some stuff here we need to edit because your site's probably not called somesite.com, so we do need to edit a few little bits of that. Now the first section here is the ahref. That's where the image is going to link to. Okay, so this is the page that they will go to if they click on the image inside the box. So what we need to do is to change the somesite.com to 2001 web.com. Oh, sorry, I've got .com twice there. Make sure you don't do that. So 2001web.com, and we have now got the name of our page here, so we'll make that index.php, which is the name of our homepage. Okay, so this is where if they click the image they're going to be sent to. They're going to be sent to the 2001 web homepage. Obviously this could be anything. It could be Google, it could be a page on your own website, it can be absolutely anything. Be careful when you're editing these codes not to delete any of these little quotation marks or equal signs or these little brackets here. If you take any of those out it won't work, and the image probably won't display properly. So we've changed where it's pointing to. Now you see the little code there, it says image source, that's what that stands for. So we need to tell this little bit of code where the image is. So again, we're going to change the your site bit, and we're going to make that to 2001web.com. And now here we've got the image folder and the image name, so we need to find where that image is that we just uploaded. So what I'm going to do, we're going to save for now. That's not the right code just yet. Okay, and we're going to go back to our image manager, our media manager here. Now this is how to get the link to that image easily and quickly. First of all, click on the image. Now if you right click on this image here, you should have an option to open it in a new window or in a new tab, so either of those will do. You can open it however you like. So open an image in a new tab, and we will get the tab here. Now this is the address of the image. Okay, there it is. That is the that's exactly where the image is on our website. So we are going to again click down, select it by holding down the mouse button and dragging, and then we are going to right click and we are going to copy. So we've now got the address of that image that we're going to add in our clipboard, and we'll go back now to appearance, widgets. We'll open our text widget that we're working on, and now we need to replace this link here, which is the image link. Now the brackets here, the little speech marks that you see, you need to paste it exactly inside that. So we're going to go to the end of the sample image that's in there, and we are just going to highlight that whole bit, making sure we're not highlighting those two little speech marks. Then if we right click and paste, then you can see we've got 2000web.com, WordPress demo, the content folder, the upload folder, and that's the actual link to the image. And that's it, that's all done. So we're now going to click save. And we're going to go and take a look at that on our website. So if we click refresh, there we go. So there's our message to our clients, happy holidays. There's the picture that we uploaded, and you'll see if I mouse over that, it is a link. Now if we click that link, if you remember, we put in 2001web's homepage. So if we click that, it's going to take us to the site. Let's go back, because that's just showing you that it works. Okay, so we've got the heading, we've got the image. Perhaps we want to add a little message underneath, maybe a bit more of an expansive message on saying Happy Christmas to our clients. So we'll go back to the widget section. Now, all you've got to remember with this code is at the end of the code, if you click in there, right at the end, and you can hit enter a few times on your keyboard. These spaces really don't matter. This is just to separate things out for yourself, so we can do it again. Now, okay, now for adding text, the good news is we don't need special code here. We can very simply type our text in here. So we're going to say all the staff at our site wish all our customers a very happy holiday period. There we go. So we've added the text there, and if we just click save and go back to our website and refresh, there we go, the message is there underneath. Okay, so that's it. Very it looks quite complicated, there's a few stages involved, but that's how you add content of your own personal content to your side boxes on your website. If you don't feel confident editing these boxes and you would like us to do it for you, then just pop in a support ticket under the work requests section and we will take care of it for you at our usual per minute rate. Obviously it doesn't take us very long to do this, so you can expect to pay a couple of pounds just to have content added to your side boxes. That concludes the tutorial. I hope it's been helpful, and we'll see you again soon.